You know what it is. This okay, Rasmus. I'm telling Mr. Okay, Ras Mount Zion. I'm back with another video. Yeah, yo, I'm back at it like a bad habit. If you want something, you better go grab it. You know the fucking vibe. Yo, this got the greetings to the world. Yeah, this is okay, Rasmus. And we out here in Africa, South Africa, Gauteng province, PTA, Pretoria, Mahlangeni, social move. Extension 6 is where we at. You know what I mean, motherfuckers. And to all Rastafarians, I say, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Selassie the First Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Selassie the First Rastafari is the greetings to the world. Yeah, this is okay, Rasmus talking. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Selassie the First Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Selassie the First Jah is highest. Selassie the First, none before, none after. Me want talk about King of Kings, Lord of Lords, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Yes, indeed, on the ballot paper, I did elect him for I and for the light of this universe. Because why? He's the great man. Whoa! This is the first reaction. YouTube channel, this is the first reaction. You know, it consists of 4 different intros. You know what I mean? Yeah, I did my intro, I did reactions intro, I did the geared reactions intro, and I did the intro that I used to do when I was still a radio presenter. You know what I mean? Yeah, reggae show, because reggae music is my shit, man. Yeah, so on the only reaction here on the YouTube channel, 4 reactions. The reason why I don't reaction now, the these days when it comes to reactions, but I'm quite sure comes with the boy. You know what I mean? So it's got the yo, I'm back with the one and only. Yeah, and you come and ratulanga and you marriage rayo shoma. Israel shoma, rupwan the twas. Yeah. I do finish on marriage rayo shoma. The stories are white Israel shoma. But I'm gonna so we are not trying to finish in Shiverani. Cabragas have been Muroi. Yeah, I'm quite sure none of this one I can't clear. And for some, it's like a go to Raversan or Diva and Trazi. You can tell or an end to Amanda. Yatonanga Kakachisukure. Reason being, Kakachisukure, he's not like Dr. Colbert Ruzan Mukwebo. Like he calls spade a spade. So 9 in a period to straight, whereas we're talking about Dr. Colbert Ruzan Mukwebo. He loves to sugarcoat things. Yeah, utoshum so matemo na mambero ngonosfora kwamba ngami. So he treke ni chiverani inimuro. Yeah, foreign iba in a strong language. Iba aggressive. Yeah, ngarwambo rwachimanje manje. You know what I mean? So if it's your first time exposing yourself to this YouTube channel, please hit subscription button. I'm very thankful for your support. I'm very thankful for your support. I will have to wear this head like a cowboy. You know what I mean? So this is what let me just press play. This is a paid reaction as well. I should have reacted to this tune long time ago before it's released. Date is unfortunate because when he sent me this song, I was still in Venda by that time. So I told him that, bro, and then and currently I'm busy pushing like outer views instead of reactions, because reaction I only push them when I'm in PTA. You know what I mean? So he said, okay, no problem. So I shot the first reaction, but I was not pleased with it. That's how we funa reaction. You only shoot the first same day, and the shooter na Smithy OG keyboard, but I ended up like deleting it because I was not feeling it. So this one, I'm quite sure I'm gonna feel it. This one, I'm quite sure I'm gonna feel it. This one, I'm quite sure I'm gonna feel it. This one, I'm quite sure I'm gonna feel it. So without any waste of time, okay, Ras, put that on. Let's go, let's go. Yo, what a guitar. Yo, okay. Reggae murawa ngechitoma yotoma nga this type of element like waka. Yeah, zvachimdzwa rocksteady. Yeah, ndorutavirwa reggae unoitwa rocksteady ngori reggae ina madhavi manji. Reggae ina madhavi manji ngamandale tingodivudza utotwa ndikonivaira one namusi, but they are asvika 7. reggae, dub, roots reggae, lovers rock, rocksteady, reggaeton. Those are type of branches za reggae. So waka 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 ndiyo ni reggae chakalena kale isho. What a lead guitar. Waka. My favorite part. Top. Waka waka waka. Okay. Mwana Daniel na Johan easy. Did you say that? Because if you said that, I'm not meant to know what Daniel na Johan is. Okay. Mwana Daniel na Johan. Okay. Mwana Johan. So if you listen to the intro, what he said, Nandi Mutipopeds, right? Is referring to his first reggae album because he's been doing music for quite some time. So he was referring to his first reggae album because unene album, adobana album inofini ndinneonoula. So now he spoke to me, or he told me already next year, 2025, he's going to release an album. Ngabuma share panon, yeah, the way Kofini Missiot, if not mistaken. So he's going to release his third album because he's been doing music for quite some time. I once said that because the kale achikoita music ngahange career rutaro ngange rakereke yachigubu. So ndibono ngarini ndene zone play a role ngamanda when it comes to his vocals. Like you can tell, or this dude does not hide behind beat or beats. Like the vocals that was clear, and during the other reggae vendor when it comes to vocals, like having like beautiful vocals. The na Just Eyes, na the Bening Doctor, yeah. Cause like bana my and those for this dude like they know, like these dudes know their stories. So when the one ngani imbesa ungange kakrikaj gubu, ngore kakrikaj gubu abene as the citizens on kirkembili zinezinga kuno jena. Because they do not depend on electric instruments. You know what I mean? Yeah, like as the instrument. So I think the background, your pushes and that's a cappella, ngangi Korea Cassidy Narula played a huge role. Current vocals that would be clean. So Nandi Mutipopeds. Indeed, Mutipopeds, Mutulu warakuambo Mutipopeds, Mwana Daniel na Johan. So if you listen here, you can tell already he's bringing like intro. Otomanga intro ya album yao adanga nga muduru waraku ambo, right? So nrundu sumbeza originality, like where all this thing started. I've started reggae nga album ya Mutipopeds. I've started ubane through makuru wanga bane babarinde muduru waraku ambo, then abangwana wanyu wa Daniel na Johan. So dosa diburu rakuambo hapano ni ndi makuru basia lipio la rutaru pio ameka na rwakotsina, but it does not matter. Ovonor comes over rakuambo the one whenever blinding Amanda music. So now he's bringing him Usumbezor, man, I'm carrying the baton. You know what I mean? Why? No mabadini. So thank you. Okay. Okay. So checking the fact here already, ndono zoyambore ni for tragena tuzo ngamanda yakakati. Tina na chitu ndogoba goba. You remember the track in over Archkoto Gia my fam tononga makazi, right? So nane panye for ni a track inti ina influences za zote zene zviita already ringambo ri bathu vane they've been listening to craft ya networks they can relate to easily because they will be able to link whatever chinako chiamba hapo noni na shuva pass. So it's a great introduction. It's a great introduction, you know, Apos. Dimanga zongai ni mboyo. Dimanga zongai ni wabuchi. Nichiberani ai ni mboyo. Okay? That's a rhetorical question. ine muloyo wako toyopindula. Bro, the guitar nakotamba nga murawo, massive chick. Okay? I wonder who's the guitarist, bro. I wonder who's the guitarist. I'll go back by first 5 seconds and so that you can listen to the guitar. I love the fact he's also bringing like the elements it's necessary reggae. Why am I saying this? Reggae vele, yes, bunji yadzo reggae dzapuma. Ndisakureno nesapuma. Bunji yadzo dzapuma. Dzino composiwa like ngadzi physical instruments, right? Rather than the Fruit Loops, nazvezvo nadzi Cubase na mini zvezvo zvine music wabveledzwa ngazvo. So the fact rini hapana kutambwa guitar ine for me, this guitar was played like straight. Ndizvone zvine zvinhu zvoita uri music wa reggae vunja vatu vapfesese urini ndione une ubringa connection between an artist nadzi fan kana verini vunja vatu vadzi reggae vachiperforma, they perform live ngakona mvesesa. So nanepa I don't know ane uri ndinyi like the guitarist but played a huge role ka urini afare hezvila zvine reggae raizvidevera zvone. And going back to couple of the I asked him who produced this song and he said Nigera Beats. And I go bro rekotoda variati kamizi kwanu ningasibveredze album yotoma ngagera beats ngasibveredze album yamu yaviri ngagera beats. The money chivani kushuma na vamwe vatu zviita uri na album yamu ikono udhara masiya othe ngakona mvesa because artist yava ntihi mara udodoropa manori kiki enoni ikukika panoni katrack enotevera atoma piano or keyboard but kiki dzamutu mutini yadzipfa mena kubveredzera kwa mutu mutini. So he ended up saying ndikozvipfa is a constructive criticism and album yanga yavuraru inogodobva ugodobva una gera na top channel top channel ndiyo lower beats top cha beats na voice in production. Zvino avalaka voice in production ushimwa zvitu ngandaveri beating when I'm that in a voice in production. Hey, when I want to you can go and listen to Asati's album. Na album here on the top channel. Like one of the best, bro, like when it comes to production. So although I mentioned name I'll take it in the younger life. So I expect yes. All I'm going. Yeah, I had to switch off the alarm in Ndayishimisa. So kama nena kodo uba nichikora very niko teacher album yo ya brother niko do wanichiko vaya reggae. I expect urani idoba iyo padarara urudar sakofa beating tea zine ndiza gera beats zine nege beats za gera beats ndia kona no dzivarero ra zvabya zveraro ko da kicking gede. So then the second thing if you check the artwork of this song you can tell kosokoba kunepe kuno also got the folder aso to jiwa chinepe chine it consists of 3 colors red, gold and green just so ipe reggae ish. So zona rukorera zvone nacheka artwork ya mdipo pezi yotoma nacheka artwork ya ukadiba nonula you can tell bro zosukuba zvinepe zvona zvokujiwa. So rakorera zvozvo was like nah I will work on it. So ndizvone zvine rakorera zvone. So at the who's the guitarist here but like we put that in. Let's go listen. Tofa that's a rhetoric question in a more windows. Okay. Chichena chikoro inoshava ndichimaketa inside the addition yausala kobonda na nguvo wamba vakanli. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay? So if you listen to whatever when he does thing, Muloi does the opposite thing. There's nothing extraordinary. It's just that whenever I take an action, any retaker in action, really church coroni in Nicorich, Nishimara in Nogopandra one side, Nichopatando in Ivan Rondaveresa, and Nichico market in Ivan there. Utosumbezorin at the first because Jonda Poeta Zona in at the street, but at the very same time. Zwine ndavha ndi tshi khou fara zwine ndavha ndi tshi khou wana sini ndi vha ngo zwi nyefula ndi tshi renga goloi ni rea impfaneli but at the very same time ni khou ḓa ḽifiti futhi what the fuck man. So that's like this track is straightforward man. I never ima vho no I khatha no I khatha vho ndi ḓi to khathela vho ri ni ndi kone u vha vhona zwine nda ḓo ndi tshi khou amba khayo but it's straightforward. Zwinashu madaucha ni ṱoḓa mini. Okay sharp. Madaucha ri nga ḽivhidza nga maipfi mararu. Madaucha zwine zwa zwi tshi khou bva kha u ḓa u tsha ḽi mini ndi ḓuvha ḽa ḽi tshi khou ḓa u tsha ri dovha ra zwi vhidza marema mutsho nga ndavha ri mutsho kanzhisa ndi wone une u determiniswa nga maanḓa nga madaucha uri ḓuvha ḽi ḓo tsha ḽi hani. Then when it comes to third name ine yavha tshi khou amba madaucha ndi marema mutsho ndi marema mutsho na matambandou. Yeah, I meant to say matambandou back in the days na lavhelesa mirero yoṱhe ya vhavenḓa ndo zwi vhona uri ni I sumbedza uri ni vhavenḓa vha bva gai ndi uri mirero ya lushaka luṅwe na luṅwe I sumbedza uri ni lushaka lwo bva gai ndi rara luisimane lu tshi khou ri an apple does not fall far from its tree u tshi khou amba upfhi zwiito zwa ṅwana zwi nga si fhambane nga maanḓa na zwa vhabebi. Vhavenḓa vha ḓa vha ri ni ṅwana wa mbevha hangwi mukwita ni a kona u zwi vhona uri vhavenḓa na tou bva na kale na kale ndi vhathu vhane mbevha have been part of our lives whereas kha vhatshena maapula have been part of their origin. Nga kona pfesa that's why na rine ri tshi pamba ipfi apula ri balelwa na ipfi ḽa Tshivenḓa ra tou ri apula ra tou ḽi pamba ḽo tou ralo. So hafhanoni when he said nga madaucha ni ṱoḓani muḓini wanga so my main purpose here was to educate or ni madaucha ri nga ḽi amba in 3 different ways ndi marema mutsho matambandou nga ndavha uri vhavenḓa they've been seeing nḓou dzi tshiya zwitivhini dzi yo tamba nga madaucha ni nga kona u mvesesa. So yeah ndi zwezwo let's go. Zwino hashu madaucha ni nyaga mini dono pfa upfi ni ndi tonga bad and he would have said zwino hashu madaucha ni ṱoḓa mini but he ended up like using ni nyaga mini. Sandra is a strong language because he would have said ni ṱoḓa mini because ṱoḓa na nyaga ndi zwithu zwivhili zwi no nga zwi a fana mara sa fani. Nyaga ivha I strong whereas ṱoḓa I tshi nga ina u sugar coat nyana. Ufandisa umbeli na tshithu cha nikolowelo zwezwo nda vunwa muḓini wanu tithuluvhea. So if you said muḓini wanu tithuluvhea lumini ndrini zwa ḓa zwo ri sia kha zwo ri henga na muḓini wanu tithuluvhea zwa amba ra ḓo ri luso lumini hapfi lwayo une lava uri ndi mulenzhe right but he ended up like going straight na muḓini wanu tithukanda. So yeah I think zwi tshi ḓa kha writing you still have to work nyana because hezwi ri zwi vhidza easy listening ndi zwithu zwine you listen once na get a meaning nga kona mvesa but hu tea u vha na zwithu zwine ni ya shada ni tshi ṅwala. So let's go. Udingana muḓini wanu tithuluvhea murunzi wanu ati uofizwa ni chivhelani ini muroi arawai ini muroi ni mbelani ini muroi uzisendia ini muroi ni mbelani ini muroi uzisendia it's unfortunate because he's asking that question to Muroi, not Serena. Hey. Ndo fa dziṅwe dzi drum roll up. Ndo fa dziṅwe dzi drum roll. Dzedzi dzina dzi amba uri zwa gira beats ndi ya kona zwi balela. Let's go. Listen. Ini Muroi. Ini Muroi. Listen. Yeah, that was yeah, so it's a beautiful tune, man. React kayo. It was not in this and it has 1.2 views. So you can go and listen to it. YouTube. You don't attend this video. You don't let go back stage. It's November one of so. It's a beautiful tune. It's a beautiful tune. I think I'm in a good position to say that. Out of energy is man. But Networks is one of the greatest. Like Networks is one of the greatest. Dude, he's carrying reggae. And I go check out. I've been on just Spotify rap as well. Like bro, he was able to push more than over the limits. Ndi zwone zwene ne muna vha khou amba zwone uri ni zwa zwo tshi khou konḓa nga maanḓa u vhona reggae i tshi khou kona u wana zwi streams zwi no nga hezwiḽani, checking the fact uri most of the people are diving into hip hop and na amapiano. That's the music that they listen to a lot. So seeing him a tshi khou accumulate those type of numbers ka Spotify, you can tell that it's doing quite well and people are accepting his music quite well. So yeah, I think this is what time is now. 27 minutes before 9. Let me just go and take a bath. Ngabo past 9. You know what I mean? Because I always say this. We do this shit passionately. Rivora shoot a reaction. Raspani, Rabia ready to upload. Hadipangamad. Out of you. Yeah, look for the music. It's on its way. Peace out.